In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Figma designs with AI in this quick and easy Figma design tutorial. Let's get started by navigating to Figma's website, which is known for being a collaborative interface design tool. You can find it simply by opening a web browser and typing in figma.com. Once you reach Figma's homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in. Look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. It's a crucial step as logging in will give you access to your projects and stored designs, making it easier to work with the AI functionality we're exploring today. After logging in, your next stop is the Figma homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access all of your recent files and projects. From the homepage, locate and click on the Design tab. This will direct you to the space where you can create and edit your designs. It's essentially your creative workspace within Figma, so make sure you're familiar with navigating this area, as it will be where the magic happens. In the design section, you'll need to find the action area. Clicking here will allow you to initiate different processes, which include our next step, integrating AI capabilities. You will then search for AI by entering it in the search bar. This search will bring up a few AI-related options that Figma offers to help enhance your design process. These tools are geared to boost creativity and can significantly enhance productivity. Among the AI options, find and click on Magician. This is the tool we'll be using to leverage AI in generating designs. Magician is specifically crafted to assist in design automation, providing you with intuitive options to save time and innovate faster. It's a perfect companion for designers looking to explore new territories with AI capabilities. Now, for the final step, you'll want to run the Magician tool. Clicking on Run activates Magician, allowing it to commence its processes and start working its magic on your design tasks. Once running, you can explore the different functionalities it offers, which can range from generating design elements to applying styles based on AI insights. Remember, the key with using AI tools like Magician within Figma is continual exploration and experimentation. The more you familiarize yourself with its capabilities, the more efficiently you'll use it to enhance your workflow. This concludes our quick and easy guide on generating Figma designs with AI. Thanks for following along and happy designing.